All right. So basically, it's not like a competition. It's like a community contribution. Correct me if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
exactly. It's not a competition. Everyone who gets shortlisted will get the same amount of stipend, will get the same certification.
Okay.
It's just something we work towards open source. That's it.
So let's put a spotlight on its beneficial in the market, Chandan. Let's assume that I participated in the Gsoc and I completed my project and also got the stipend and also got the certification. So I got graduated. Now I am joining a organization as a software engineer, something like that. So what
Mhm.
this certificate impact in the job hunt? Any talk on that, Chandan?
Yeah, this will really give a like very good boost for your resume. On resume, if you find Google itself, it's a very big thing.
Mhm.
And now this is a
Yeah.
prestigious open source. Google
Yep.
Summer of Code. If you just say it to people, many people are in such a way like
Mhm.
thinking that like you might know a lot of things. You might know
Mhm.
how to build projects from scratch. You might know how to collaborate with people.
Yep.
So then know the quality of this program, and that is why this has got a lot of reputation in
Yep.
any
Mhm.
institute,
Agree.
any organization you apply to. So if you are applying and the HR or any recruiter
Mhm.
sees your profile having Google
Yeah.
Summer of Code, very high chances are there that the interviews are already, you have already cleared the interview or just attending the interview so that it's just official
Understood.
thing.
Understood.
So that's where it is there. Like in startups and all, people prefer
Ah.
like students who have already worked on open source and all. Because in startups, you should know everything. It's
Hmm.
not like in MNC train you during the
Agree.
internship period, but in
Agree.
startups you should know everything already. So in startups, there are chances where you get a job without even
Yep.
like I myself have got many job offers without interviews, without test. I can
Yep.
just directly go and join the company. So that is where Gsoc will help you. More than this
Yep.
Gsoc, here we are talking about open source.
Ah.
So open source helps you, but Gsoc is a tag which adds that thing. Like
Highlight.
in IA, people who study in IIT will put that IIT tag,
Highlight.
right? If you don't have an IIT tag, Gsoc will make that up for
All
you.
right. So it make a highlight in your resume. I add some weightage to your resume. I can say like that. So let's just a last question, Chandan. So let's assume that I need to a beginner who is participating in the open source and want to participate in G-Shock. So what are the skill set he or she should have? Just a short brief on that.
So basically, if you are a beginner, I
Hmm.
would say you should learn GitHub, how to use
Hmm.
GitHub. It's very important for any software engineer
Yep.
and any technology stack. Like if you
Hmm.
know Python, be enough. While contributing, you learn everything else. If you know web development, that should be enough. While contributing, you will learn everything.
Okay.
So even if you know very bit of it, like web development basics, even you can contribute.
Okay.
There is a website called Good First Issues. If you just Google Good
First
First
issue.
Issues,
Okay.
you'll get
Hmm.
like any list of websites.
Okay.
Go there, pick up an issue, and keep like try to solve it or add a feature depending upon the what the issue says.
Okay.
And this should be enough. Like while if you keep doing it every day consistently,
Hmm.
you'll aram se get there. Like the next year GSOC, if you apply, you will get selected because you have already done it consistently for a year.
Super.
So yeah, beginners don't think that you know only like very less. Even I knew very less when I first started.
Hmm.
My first contribution was mostly to just delete a function. Like
Okay.
people had already, but that was redundant. Just delete that function.
Okay.
So that was my first contribution.
Hmm.
So that you can start doing it as well.
So again, it comes to the same route. It depends on what tech stack you are working. So let us assume that you are working on front end. So what are the technologies needed for front end? You need to work on that. If you're working in the machine learning contribution, depends on Python, open source
Yes.
contribution. Coming to the data engineering, depends on their tech stack requirement. So again, it
Yeah,
depends on your tech stack, guys. Okay. Again, it's
yes.
no there is no restriction for the tech stack in the G-Shock. It's open to all the tech stacks. I guess we covered pretty much everything. And one thing, the Chandan mentioned the website name. I will be updating that link in the description. You can have a link, a look into that. And Chandan, would you like to mention anything? Are we missing anything? Any tips, suggestion to our audience?
Yeah, like one thing I would like to mention is do like try for GSOC only. Like
Mhm.
you're looking at GSOC there. Rather than that, keep contributing to open source and GSOC will come on its own. So that is what happened to me as well.
Mhm.
In the first year, I wanted to clear GSOC, but then I
Okay.
didn't.
Hmm.
Many things came up. But in the third year, I was not in like I didn't even think about clearing GSOC. I just contributed to open source because I
Okay.
used to give that feel like get that feel that I am doing something. I am doing
Uh-huh.
something real. People are
Uh-huh.
using my software. So that kind of an interest should come to you, and that is where actually growth happens. If you
Okay.
want to GSOC, you'll be only contributing to organizations are in GSOC. You'll be doing only things which related to GSOC, and once GSOC rejects you, you'll
Uh,
be done. You'll be zero.
mhm.
So that is where I say keep contributing to open source, and GSOC can come on its own. It's just a program you can apply.
So
That's it.
don't focus on the result part, just focus on the process. You will
Yes.
learn a lot. So automatically results will be in the positive manner. And I guess Chandan, we covered pretty much everything. And if I'm missing anything, definitely I will be adding all the info in the description. You can follow up, and I'll be up sharing Chandan's LinkedIn profile in the description. You can connect with him, get suggestion from him. And Chandan, thanks a lot, man, for taking time and joining us, giving a proper insight about G-Shock to the audience. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Akshay. Thanks for inviting. Yeah.
And yeah, guys, this is all about Rest Talk. And if you have any queries regarding the G-Shock, just feel free to comment in the comment section. You can DM me directly. Definitely, I can connect you with Chandan. I can help from my end also. And that is all about today. And Chandan, thanks once again for joining us today.
Yeah. Thanks, Akshay.
And yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Take care.